Hi, I'm Tom, and this is my model of Alresford on the Mid Hants Railway. Next weekend I'm taking this model up to the Tringham District Model Railway exhibition. So hopefully this video will show you how to take it apart, how to put it back together and how to transport it to an exhibition. And it's going to be a steep learning curve for me because it's the first time I've ever taken a model railway to an exhibition, and hopefully there'll be some useful information that I can share with you along the way. That was the last running session I did before packing up the model railway for the exhibition. The reason I did it was just to check the tracks were working and all the electrics were working fine. And everything was really good, so really pleased with the model at the moment. So the Tringham District Model Railway exhibition is at the Cottesloe School in Wing, which is very near Tring, on Saturday the 6th of September 2025. It opens at 10:15 and goes on to 4:30 in the evening. The display, there's several other models, this displays there, including 00 gauge, N gauge, O gauge, 009 gauge, TT and HO. So there's going to be lots for people to see and do while they're there. As part of my preparation for this exhibition, I went down to the Songting District Model Railway exhibition in May this year, just to have a look around to see how the exhibitors displayed their railways and what tips I could find. Mike from Budget Model Railways was very good and very helpful. He basically told me to just take 3 or 4 locos and just run them all day long and not do a complicated timetable with several locos, but just to keep it really simple and keep the trains running round, because he said that most people come along, look at a model for 3-4 minutes, and in that time they'll only see a few trains and then they'll move on to the next one. And I thought that's really helpful advice. He also told me to stand in front of the layout and talk to people and not hide behind it, which I thought again was good advice, and we'll see what I do on the day. I also noticed down at Songting exhibitors had skirts or curtains around the legs to cover underneath the layout, to cover up all the rubbish and all the wires. So my sister-in-law Hazel very kindly made some curtains for me to hang around the table for my model railway, so thank you to Hazel. So there it is, half of it is boxed up already, just another top to go on, and then I can stack the two of these on top of each other and put them in the back of the car. So hopefully it'll be a good fit and they'll be secure. And of course, time for a quick cup of tea while you're doing the hard work. I also noticed that most model railways had their own lighting and didn't rely on the hall's own lighting. So I built a little frame, so behind this I put 4 5-watt LED tubes, which will give a lot more lighting so people can actually see the details of the railway and back clearer. Job done, boxed up, nearly ready to go.